Hi, this is Tom at MarineMax at Kent Island, Maryland. I'd like to show you a brand new 2025 Scout 277 LXF center console that just arrived. Give you a quick walkthrough. Here in the stern we got twin Mercury 225 V6 engines. All the new Scouts have this full width swim platform. Very easy to get in and out of the boat on a dock or in and out of the water. Get a nice walkthrough on the starboard side. Port side has a recirculating bait well. In the middle here is I folded out the fold down rear seat for taking people out. Port side, we got a door on the side that opens up. We got two fish wells here that pump out, port and starboard. Moving forward into the leaning post area, we got a sink with a cutting board. Down below is a Yeti cooler, and it pulls out and it has a pad on it, so it's an extra seat if you need it. Underneath the cutting board is some nice storage, rod holders, and then of course up top we've got rocket launchers. Coming up to the helm, got nice footrests, a sea deck on them. Got side-by-side seating with bolsters that fold down if you want to sit and drive. Armrests either side. This is the new Bianca, relatively new Bianca upholstery color, very sharp. At the helm, we got twin Garmin 10-inch displays. We got switching, nice storage cubby with USB ports in it for your phone. Of course, dual binnacle and a tilt wheel. Quick look inside the center console. Got a nice pump out head there. And you got your electrical panel keys. Coming up toward the bow, you can see on the side we got the fender pros for your fenders, so you don't waste any cleats on fenders. Got a nice little storage area here, port and starboard, with two cup holders. We got the forward seat in front of the console, and there is storage. It's a insulated storage with a drain. Got removable backrests on both sides, and then on either side you got another insulated storage areas, port and starboard, underneath the cushions, and a very large storage locker down below. I don't know if you can see how deep that is. It looks like to be 2.5 feet deep or so. So a lot of storage down there. Beautiful stitching on this Bianca. You can see it. Really love this color. It's sort of a tannish gray, hides dirt very, very well. Of course, nice light color, doesn't get too hot. And then fully forward, you can see we got windlass controls. So we must have a anchor windlass. Of course we do. Got a nice anchor and then a wash down port right there, so you can wash it down. And just bring up the anchor. Bow rod cup holders. Those are important, obviously, for fishing, but also you can get a forward sunshade, and the carbon fiber poles go down into that rod part of the cup holder. Got a windshield wiper, glass, full glass windshield. And lastly, coming down the starboard side, you can see it's got a battery charger, just a standard 110 cord goes in there. There you go, yacht certified, meaning you can take as many people as you want on this Scout, as long as you have a life jacket for everyone. So again, this is a 2025 Scout 277 LXF, 27.5 feet long. Beautiful boat in white. You can see the spin shots on the other part of this listing. And with the black accent stripe, and then of course the black motors. Very sharp looking boat. Come on down to Kent Island if you'd like to take her for a run. Scouts are amazing riding boats, and they've got unsinkable full of foam, all that good stuff, but with a great ride with a great deep V hull. Again, my name is Tom. Love to see you down at Kent Island. MarineMax. See ya.